Enjoy the moment and let the magic of the stage take you to an unforgettable journey.
Far beyond the horizon, where the sky kisses the endless sea, lies a small island full of life, tradition, and courage. In this island lives a young girl whose heart beats to the rhythm of the ocean. Her name is Muan, a brave daughter of her people who dares to listen to the call of the sea. Guided by courage and hope, she sets sail on a journey that will test her strength, challenge her fears, and reveal the true leader within her.
Today, we invite you to sail with us across powerful ways and witness a story of bravery, friendship, and destiny. This tale reminds us that know who we are and where we belong. Move on.
They have stolen the heart inside. But this is what we find you. This is not who you are. Who you are. Follow for the star, the one that is inside you.